Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the teaching post notification from one of the state university. So here the UGC NET or PhD is not mandatory. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is Adikavi Nannaya University, okay, from Rajahmundry, Andhra Pradesh, and in its official website they mentioned that the notification application are invited for ad hoc teaching position. So click on this one, then you will be directed to the notification guys. So in this notice you may check down, so applications are invited for the ad hoc teaching positions purely temporary in various subjects of respective departments, and the consolidated pay is going to be paid, and the eligible or the interested candidates may download the application from the university website and submit the application with proof of claims in hard copy to the register Adikavi Nannaya University Rajamahendravaram, okay, on or before 27th March 2021. And let us see the details here. Subject name and department should be superscripted on the envelope, and the subject or department civil, mechanical, electronics and communication, electronics and instrumentation, organic chemistry or the analytical chemistry, mathematics, physics, B Pharmacy and the management studies. Okay, so these are the 9 different subjects guys. And coming to the eligibility as per the UGC, ACT and PCI norms. So for engineering subjects, MTech is required in the concerned subject. So PhD is preferable, but it is not mandatory here. And for the management and science subjects, master's degree with PhD in concerned subject is required. For pharmacy, master's degree in pharmacy with PhD in the concerned specialization is required. And the preference will be given to the candidates from the premier institutions like the IIT, NIT and the central universities. And the payment is a consolidated pay as per the university norms. TADA will not be provided. Okay, and eligible candidates will be directly called for the interview through university website or the email. Okay, so here the application form is given. So take down the printout of this one and then fill it up and attach the required documents. Okay, and then send it to the mentioned address. Okay, so here it is mentioned. So on or before 27th March 2021. Okay, so these are the details regarding this notification. So share this information to your friends. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide